G'day Tentworld viewers, this is Deon from the Ferntree Gully store. Now, COVID-19 has affected us all in many ways, and here in Melbourne it is now mandatory to wear masks. And I've got a couple of masks here to show you. So this, obviously it's best to wear reusable masks for the environment, but problem I have, and a lot of people I've noticed have, is with these ones, they go around your ears and they're quite uncomfortable around your ears. But then, thanks to a couple of team members, it's Shannon and Lockie, we've come up with a new way of making the masks more comfortable. So all you need to do this, pack a shock cord, some cord locks, maybe a measuring tape. I did mine to about 60 centimeters, scissors to cut, and you can go from a mask like this to a mask like this, which is far more comfortable. We sell the shock cord like that from Australia in packs, and we also sell the cord locks. So the cord lock just looks like that. For the cord to come through and lock it in place. With these ones here, it's basically just got the shock cord coming through here, like so, and then run the cords through there, lock them in place. I'll do the same on the other side. So with the two cord locks on, like that, it's just easy to slip over your head. And now, of course, these are fully adjustable just by pressing the little spring button. And just slip it over your head. And this is far more comfortable than wrapping it around your ears. You know, my big concern was that in a few months' time, Melburnians were going to walk around with all larger ears, and to avoid that, this is a great option. So if you want to avoid sore ears when wearing a mask, I would recommend the Australia shock cord with the cord locks, both available at our store locations across the country and at tentworld.com.au. So thanks for watching, happy camping, and of course, happy mask wearing.